Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a great weekend. I hope having a great holiday weekend because tomorrow is the 4th of July. So those who do not know me, my name is Ramera, aka Mara the Goddess 22. A little bit about myself if you're just now joining for the first time. I'm 29 years old, stay at home mom from Atlanta, Georgia, and I rob banks legally, and I'm here to teach you how. So let's get into it. All right, so I did not go live on Sunday to go over the market. I was actually stuck in the hospital with baby boy, but have no fears. I didn't bring my laptop, so I didn't want to, whatever. But anyways, he's doing good. He's getting taken care of. All the love he is definitely getting. Um, And even though he is not feeling well, he still has a smile on his face and he is still jumping up and down, still being boss baby like he is. um, so let's get into it. We are going over the pairs for this week. Now, before I go over the pairs, I do want to say that I took off GJ because I do not trade GJ. I did a little cleaning on my charts today. Fixed a couple of things up, and I also what I want to do is make another video for you guys. I may not have the time today, or if I do, it'll be later on, but it probably won't upload until tomorrow. Um, I want to do a trading view little tutorial for my new people. I've been getting some comments about some of the tools that I've been using, so I want to share that with you guys and how to actually navigate trading view because it may be a little bit fast for you guys. But let's get into it. Um, so we have some interesting news this week. So a couple of things that has happened or that is happening. So far for this current week. So it is a new month. It is a new week. A lot of news that is taking place. Of course, Fed now has now been launched off on Saturday. Of course, we have the bank holiday that is tomorrow for the 4th of July. So I want to wait to see how the Fed now, how a lot of things will happen in the market. As well, we also have NFP this week, so it's going to be very, very interesting this week. If you are a new beginner, I definitely recommend that you're not trading on your left account. When I say new beginner at trading, because if you are a beginner, you shouldn't have been trading anyways. Live. You should be on your demo. Switch over to your demos. Protect your accounts. I'll definitely just stay out of the markets if you are just not trading because it is a very volatile week. Um, so today we had some ISM news. Tomorrow USD Bank holiday, so the bank will be closed. So we may not see any movement on the USD pairs. Also with the holidays, some pairs will actually close early if they haven't already closed already yet. So we have some AUD news at 12:30 this in the morning. So in a couple more hours, actually, Wednesday we have some FOMC meetings, OPEC meetings as well. Very, very see what they're gonna talk about. Thursday we have ADP non-farm employment change, unemployment claims, ISM services, PMI, and also jobs opening. So Thursday will be. When I say very, very, very volatile, I'm talking about volatile, so stay your ass out of the market. Okay, especially if you don't know what you're doing, or if you wanted just to see how news is trading, get on that demo. And I hope it's just a regular demo account and not a funded challenge account, because I don't want, sometimes you won't be allowed to trade depending on whichever broker that you're going to use, which prop firm, I'm sorry. Um, or and or I don't want you to lose anything, especially when it's a volatile week like this. Friday is NFP at 8:30, so we have some news some news for your ass. 1 second. Okay. All right, so let's go over the pairs. So I did a couple clearing on my charts. I did also identify. I did take up GJ, and it's something else that I took off, but it's something that we don't actually use. All right, so for this for EU, I am anticipating a sell-off actually to take place. I think last week we seen a possible head and shoulders that was forming. She did come down a little bit, and this is on a daily time frame, so it may look small, but she did come down a little bit, got some retracement, but I am expecting a sell-off. I just have to, we're just waiting to get that confirmation as well. We really didn't have the confirmation as of yet. We have that higher low, still a higher high, higher low, and this could be just a retracement to continue to go high. Make make a higher high. So we just have to, this is a sit on your hands type of situation. Because I want to see what happens. We have some news that is going to take place Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So yeah, we'll definitely see what happens there. And also the bank is closed, so that may be why we're getting that pushed down right now. All right, so on EJ, I would like price to sell off. But that may not be the case. This looks like a possible M formation. With the information, actually wants to sell, something like this. I don't know if she'll break this level and continue to start selling off, but that's what I would like to see. Yeah, but I will need a breaker structure, to be honest, before I start like selling all the way down here, and things to that nature. So if I was looking for something, honestly, I will, let me look on a 1 hour time frame right quick. I like this bearish engulfing right here. That's almost close to it. So like a sell here. Stop loss will be up here. TP right down here. It's even to this line. Is that a 2-and-1? That is a 2-and-1 risk to reward. So that's what I have for that. Now EA, my goal, I overall, the trend is bullish, right? Because I want her to fill this weekly void, this little gap here in the area in the market. But what may be taking place, she may be starting to retrace. So I will want her to get down to at least a 50 to 61 percentile. Now you can. I don't recommend that you counter trend trade, but when it has like those setups, especially where you can be able to profit at, you can be able to get it. So I would like a sell off on EA, because she's not ready to buy as of yet. Yeah. Also with this, we're at a 4 hour key support and resistance level. She did break due as a resistance. Now we did come up. She's getting that the sell off actually already happened. um, so we're getting that rejection here at this 4 hour key level. Also, this maybe that was possibly a retracement. We had that evening star formation that actually formed, and also a bearish engulfing, and she sold down here. This is a retest. She came all the way up here and retested, and looks like she is continuing to fall. Probably missed that entry as well, and she'll probably come down here and fill this little gap here in the area. That's on a 1 hour time frame too, guys. Yeah, we missed the sell off. We missed the sell off. She really been selling off for quite some time now. Like we said, we missed it out, but yeah. All right, USD. So USD CAD. You guys know that I'm like totally up for buys right now. So she did break out. I do see an inverted head and shoulders that is taking place or has taken place as well. She come down. I want her to come back into the zone. She may not. She may just feel it right here. But when price does come back up here, I want to see what happens if we're going to continue to go into that triangle and then finally do a bust out. And move may take a while because that's on a daily time frame. So this is a sit on your hand situation until we figure out where we're going to get this break from. So either we can continue to buy or to sell. Yeah. Yeah. All right. And then USD JPY. Of course, she has been buying. Um, Weekly time frame. I would want to see a retracement. But she hasn't been retracing to her normal ranges, her normal area. But I would want to see a retracement never happen. Probably will happen on Wednesday, to be honest, maybe, depending on how that meeting will run. And then she may continue her bull run. She has been bullish for quite some time. So we're in a weird space. So I will want to see some price action to see what is going on in the market. Because she can easily just like not break this level here, these highs, and she may actually start to fall. So yeah, just waiting on, that's a price action setup that we're waiting on in this case. And it's just a lot of consolidation. Keep going back and forth here. I really don't like it. Sit on your hands. Also, we have news. Also, the banks are closed tomorrow, especially for USD. Yeah. All right. So DSY. DSY is definitely consolidating at this current moment. We have a possible, well, not possible. This is now a lower high, but also we have a higher low that's forming. So she's like going back and forth here. Sit on our hands until we get some type of break. We can get the retrace and either go up, or we can get the sell break here and retrace and then sell off. But we need to sit on our hands, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I am gonna be honest. The only thing that I do probably look is probably EJ. All right, for a sell off if she allows us. And then EA already sold off without us. She took off without us. So we just have to wait until we can get the retracement to get in for a sale. But we possibly missed that move, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, we did. We will probably have to wait until we just gotta wait. We just gotta wait until we get maybe another. If she hits back at this ever area again, then I would like to catch her down, right? See, but this we are in the middle of the move because she has been selling off. The Head and Shoulders has formed. The retracement took place and she has failed. She came back and retraced here this daily support and resistance. And then she fell right here at the 4 hours. She came up here and fell. She's gonna come down here. So our stop loss is really, really kinda high. We can probably risk 50, but that's if she actually comes back. If she doesn't come back, then our risk reward is not good. Um, and then we will have to wait. We will have to wait until we can get another wave going on here, and then we can possibly get down to our TP2 here, and I'll be okay with it. And then TP3 would be down here somewhere. But we missed it. But that is all that I have for you guys. Please, please, please make sure that you are protecting your profits in everything that you do. Um, Make sure that you read your news before getting into any trades, and also um, make sure you have a wonderful week. Okay, if you are on break for tomorrow, enjoy the little break that you do have. If you're not gonna have a break, no worries. Still get it. The grind still take place even on holidays. But that is all that I have for you guys. I hope you have a great day, great weekend, great week. I will see you guys on Wednesday as well. And make sure that you guys are following me at Mary the Goddess 22 on all of your social media platforms. And also, if you can't find me here on YouTube with Mary the Goddess, you can just type in my name right here. I want to thank all my subscribers, okay? Thank you, all my subscribers, for subscribing with me and liking my content. Tell me what else that you guys want to see as well, what you want to hear. If I do have that availability, I will be able to come on and do like a trading view tutorial. If not, then it definitely will be tomorrow for you guys since we have some break time. All right, I am out later. I will talk to you guys soon.